if you're not good at designing thumbnails, or you don't know how to use the Photoshop application to design thumbnails, onto this video I'm going to show you how you can get to design yourself a thumbnail using the Gemini app that only uses prompts to design YouTube thumbnails. So all you need to do is to tap onto it, then get to open it up. Once it's opened up, you then go for a new chat. Let's open up for a new chat. Once you're done, then we're gonna create a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm gonna pick up a screenshot that I've just taken, this very one. So we're gonna select. So over here, just wait. Why isn't it? No. So over here we then put in the prompt. You don't need to know much of English. Create 16 to 9. Oh, no, what's going on? Let's turn back. 16 to 9 thumbnail with this photo on the phone screen, and these words aside. You don't need to know much of English, and these words aside. So you then put in you put the words in quotes. So the words are create YouTube thumbnail using Gemini and run it. So it's gonna take like around 1 minute, and the creation of the thumbnail will be done in just few seconds, and you're having yourself a stunning YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, that's how easy it is. Just hold on for some minutes, around 1 minute. So as you see now, we have ourselves a thumbnail by just using a prompt. You can even go ahead to request it to give you another design. Create another design, then run it. So it's upon you. Yeah, that's it.